This video will focus on the 45-45-90 right triangle. But before that, we will review about rationalizing the denominator. For example, if we have a fraction 1 over square root of 2, in this fraction, the denominator has a radical sign. In this case, we are going to eliminate the radical sign by rationalizing the denominator. Okay, for this example, 1 over square root of 2, we are going to multiply this using this square root of 2. So, square root of 2 over square root of 2. Then, 1 times square root of 2 equals square root of 2 over square root of 2 times square root of 2 is square root of 4. So this is square root of 2 and the square root of 4 is 2. So this is now the answer. Another example. Uh, 2 over square root of 2. So we will multiply this again using the square root of 2. Square root of 2 over square root of 2. Then we will multiply the numerator. 2 times square root of 2 is 2 square root of 2. And square root of 2 times square root of 2 is square root of 4. So we will copy 2 square root of 2 over the square root of 4 is 2. So we can cancel 2 here. So what will remain is square root of 2, and this is the answer. Okay, we have here the problem. Find the value of x and the 6 trigonometric ratios. Okay, for example, we have here 6. This side here is also 6. And to solve for the hypotenuse, hypotenuse equals square root of 2 times the leg. So this is the hypotenuse x. So we'll write here x. We'll copy square root of 2 times the leg is 6. So x equals square root of 2 times 6, or we can write here 6 square root of 2. Then to solve for the 6 trigonometric ratios, sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse. So the opposite is 6 and the hypotenuse is 6 square root of 2. So this is 6 square root of 2. 6 square root of 2. So we can cancel out 6. So this is 1 over square root of 2. Next is cosine theta. Cosine theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. So they are just the same. 6 over 6 square root of 2. So cancel this out. So what will remain is 1 over square root of 2. The next is tangent theta. Tangent theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. So opposite is 6, adjacent is 6. So 6 divided by 6 is 1. Then we go to cotangent theta. Cotangent theta is just the inverse of the tangent. So just the same, 6 over 6 equals 1. Then for secant theta, this is the inverse of cosine theta. So square root of 2 over 1. This is square root of 2 over 1. Or this is square root of 2. Then for cosecant theta, this is the inverse of sine theta. So it is just the same, square root of 2 over 1. Square root of 2 over 1. Or simply, square root of 2. Okay, thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next video.
2,000 years later. 6.5 hours later. 5 minutes later. 2 hours later.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Bira! 1, 2, 3, bira! 1, 2, 3, bira!
2 hours later.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
A few inches later.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Umay nagkagaog ako ka.
This video will focus on graphing a quadratic function and identify the following: axis of symmetry, vertex, direction of the opening of the parabola, domain and range, and intercept. So we have here problem number 1. Y equals x squared minus 6x minus 7. So first we are going to use here completing the square. y equals x squared minus 6x plus, and then we will write negative 7 outside the parenthesis. Y equals x squared minus 6x plus we will divide we will divide 6 by 2 and then squared. So 6 divided by 2 is 3 squared. So 3 squared is equal to 9.